Let us drive you to efficiency. We have been manufacturing servo and mechanical presses since 1940. With a proven past, we are excited to accept the challenge and the responsibility to create the future. Our manufacturing experts offer your company an unparalleled combination of precision and accuracy, demonstrating how innovation works. Our research and development department helps your company to be flexible and increase your productivity. A project manager provides you personalized attention and leads your project from the beginning to ensure the highest level of engineering is received, no matter the size. We shape the cars of the future.